At Bolt, we're striving daily to create quality craftsmanship and an exceptional client experience. Producing new homes and remodeling old is what we do on a daily basis. We've learned over the years that project management and control is critical to keeping a project on schedule, within budget, and with reduced risk. One of our key managerial tools that we use here at Bolt is the 2-week look ahead. Our production manager, project managers, and site supers come together and meet weekly to discuss the past 2 weeks of progress and the upcoming 2 weeks of progress. In this meeting, we identify issues, we're solving complex construction challenges, we're reviewing the sequence of work, and we're coordinating what's next on the project. When we start a new project, we create a critical path schedule. It's a detailed schedule of activities that review on a weekly basis in the look ahead meeting. Allows us to identify what activity of construction is critical at that point and what we need to do to make sure we keep that on track so the rest of the sequence of construction goes as planned. We update that on a weekly basis and send it out to our clients.